Hello students, welcome once again in the session of online classroom. In my last lecture, I was teaching you how the verbs are used in subject verb agreements. Today, I am going to teach you how the determiners are used. You know, there is a question in your question paper that find the error. The question will be like this: the paragraph or the given paragraph has not been edited. There is one error in each line. Find the error, write that error word, and also mention the correct word that will be written in place of that error. So in such condition, when we are asked to find the error, first of all you will have to pay your attention that there will be the error of determiners, because most of the errors are related to determiners. Now what are determiners? Determiners are the word that are placed before a noun or pronoun to determine that particular noun or pronoun. These are some, any, much, many, little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few, several, various, each, every, all, both, less, more, and either and neither. I have not mentioned here, but either and neither is also a part of determiner. Now these are the determiners, and how we will use them, how we will apply them in the sentence. See, I am going to tell you about one or two determiners today. First of all, we are going to look at how the some and many are applied in the sentence. Some and any. You know, some and any have the same sense, koi or kuch, in Hindi. They both have equal sense, but they are applied differently. Why and how? See here. Some and any means koi or kuch, but some is applied only in affirmative sentence. When the sentence is affirmative, we will have to apply some in sense of koi or kuch. But when the sentence is negative, we will have to apply any here. In the same sense, any will be applied in negative sentence. Okay. Now see, when there is question, but question is in negative form. If the question is in negative form, we will have to apply some. But if the question is in affirmative form, we will have to apply any. Now the third one, when the sentence is started with will, would, could, but the sentence is a request, not a general question. If the sentence is in the form of a request and it is starting with will, would, and could, you will have to apply some here. And if will, would, and could is a general question, if they are making a general question only, then in such condition you will have to apply any. Now the fourth one, when there is please and kindly written in the sentence. If there is please and kindly, you will have to apply some. And if there is if, never, barely, hardly, scarcely, any of the word given in the sentence, from if, never, barely, hardly, scarcely, you will have to apply any. Now I think you might have got what I want to tell you. I am going to revise the same thing once again. Some is used in affirmative sentence and any is used in negative sentence. Now when the question is negative, we will have to apply some, and when the question is affirmative, we will have to apply any. When the sentence starting with will, would and could is in the form of a request, we will have to apply some, and if will, would and could are making a general question, then we will have to apply any. And if there is please and kindly in the sentence, we will have to apply some, and if there is if, never, barely, hardly, scarcely, etc. in the sentence, we will have to apply any. Now I am going to give you the exercise related to these some and any. See here. The first one, teacher asked blank questions in class. Second, Radha didn't reply blank full stop. Third, would you pass blank salt question mark. Fourth, please give me blank books to read. Fifth, if you have blank pen with you. Sixth, have you not got blank information from your school. Seventh, I brought blank mangoes from market yesterday. Now eighth one, she does not invite blank of her friends. Ninth, could you lend me blank money question mark. And the last one, he hardly has blank thing to eat. Okay, now fill in the blanks, click the photo and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.